Hello, my dear nursery boys. Can you remember me? Yes, this is me, your Shravani Miss. Boys, welcome back. And today I'm back to you with your favorite subject, mathematics. Can you see the picture here? Yes, this is a picture of a boy. Can you see what is written here? He has written, I love learning. So, boys, he loves learning. I hope you are going to love learning. Boys, today we are going to learn mathematics and he, that means this boy, the laughing boy is also going to learn with us. So, all of we are very happy. Okay? So boys, get ready for the class. Take out your copy and also your pencil because you have to write it in your copies. Okay? So today we are going to start a new topic, that is match the numbers. Boys, this is a very new topic because we didn't do it at school. So now we have to do it now. Okay? So there is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. But there is no serial. Okay, I have mixed the numbers in this box. So you have to match 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 4 with 4, 5 with 5, 6 with 6, 7 with 7, 8 with 8, 9 with 9 and 10 with 10. Okay, so you have to draw a line for matching. Here I have given a picture. Okay, you can just simply draw a line. If you don't want to draw this arrow, no problem, just draw a line. Okay, 1, can you see I have matched 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 4 with 4, 5 with 5, 6 with 6, 7 with 7, 8 with 8, then 9 with 9 and 1010 with 1010. So this is your HW. Boys, you are going to do it. Okay, I hope you can do it because you are the smartest boy. Okay, so boys, this is your HW and you have to submit it in the comment section. Okay, now today we are going to do another new topic, that is addition. Boys, we didn't do addition in our school, but now we are going to do it. Okay, this is very easy. You just have to count the pictures and you have to write the numbers. Okay, so we are going to start from the left side. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is a picture of a lion. So he is going to do the addition with us. So he is as smart as you. That's why he is going to do mathematics with us. Okay, so in the first box you can see there are 2 bars. Okay, so we are going to count it 1, 2. Then you have to write here 2. Then this is called addition sign. Okay, you have to draw a sign like this. Okay, you can take help from your parents. Okay, this is very easy. You just have to draw a addition sign like this. Then you have to count the pictures from the right side. Okay, I'm going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from the beginning we are going to count it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. After counting 4, you have to write here 4. Okay, then this is called equal sign. What is this? Equal sign. Okay, you have to draw it. Then you have to count the pictures from the beginning, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many birds are there? Okay, there are 6 birds. How many birds? 6 birds. So in front of equal we are going to write here 6. It's very easy, boys. So in the first box you have to count the birds, then you are going to write the number. then addition sign, then you are going to count the right side of the birds, then you are going to write 4, then equal, then 6. So this is called addition sign and this is called equal. Okay boys, if you practice at home you can do it. Okay, so next picture, this is also addition. Now we are going to count from the left side. 1, this is the picture of shirts. Okay, so 1 2 3. Now we are going to write here 3. Okay, then an addition sign, then again we are going to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then write here 6, then equal, then we are going to count it from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many shirts are there, boys? There are 9 shirts. That's why in front of equal we are going to write here 9. Okay, this is very easy. Then there are some flowers or okay, now we are going to count it, or ribbons. You can see that these are some ribbons or flowers, as you see. Now we are going to count it from the left side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 ribbons there, that's why we are going to write here 6. Then there will be an addition sign, then 1 2, there will be 2, then equal, then 8. Okay, okay, this is another picture. Now we are going to count it from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many ribbons are there? There are 8 ribbons. So you are going to write here 8. Okay, now you can see there are some chocolates. Okay, so I am going to count it now. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So write here 5, then addition sign, then 1 2 3 4 5. Then you have to write here 5 again because there are 5 chocolates again. Now count it from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are going to write here 10. So you are going to write the numbers all together. Okay, in the exam Miss will give you this addition sign. Okay, there will be a box and also a box. You just have to write the numbers. Okay, so take help from your parents. Okay, now another one. So in the left side you can see 1 2 3 4. So we are going to write here 4, then plus, then 1 2, then you have to write here 2, then equal, then 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many dolls are here? Here are 6 dolls. That's why we are going to write here 6. Now can you see, boys? These are the pictures of balls. Do you like balls? Yes, Miss likes balls. Can you remember every morning you play with balls with Shoro's brother? Yes, boys. Okay, when our school will be opened again, you can play again also. Okay, now we are going to count the balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here you are going to write 8. Okay, then this is only one ball, so we are going to write here 1 after the addition sign, then equal, then you are going to write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So at last we are going to count all of the balls together. So how many balls are there? There are 9 balls. Okay, Now another one. Can you see what is this picture? Okay, this is a picture of caterpillar. Okay, so we are going to count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 caterpillars, that's why we are going to write here 7. Then addition sign. Then there is only one caterpillar, so you are going to write here 1. Then equal. Now we are going to count it again from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 caterpillars all together. So this is all about your addition. Boys, this is a new topic, so you have to practice it a lot. Dear parents, I am going to show you the format how to do this. Okay, here will be a box and teacher will give the addition sign, and there will be another box and this equal sign also will be given by the teacher, and there will be another box. So the students will have to write just the numbers. Okay, so at your home, when you are going to practice this for your child, you can just draw the common pictures or the easiest pictures that you can draw, then give a box here, then an addition sign, then another box here, then equal sign, then the last box. Okay, so students need not draw the equal sign and the addition sign and the equal sign. They will just write the numbers. Please help them to do it. Okay, you need not draw caterpillars or another difficult pictures. You can use some easiest pictures for doing the mathematics, for doing the addition. Okay, I think it's clear. Now I am going to say you in Bangla, that is, এখানে একটা বক্স থাকবে, তারপর একটা এডিশন সাইন থাকবে, তারপরে আবার একটা বক্স থাকবে, তারপরে ইকুয়াল সাইন থাকবে, তারপরে এখানে আবার একটা বক্স থাকবে। স্টুডেন্টসরা শুধুমাত্র নাম্বারগুলো লিখবে লাইক দিস। এখানে ওরা 7 লিখবে, এই 7 পিকচার্স কাউন্ট করে। তারপরে এখানে 1 পিকচার থাকলে 1 লিখবে কাউন্ট করার পরে। তারপরে ইকুয়ালের সামনে তারা সবগুলো পিকচার্স শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত কাউন্ট করে তারপরে লিখবে। আপনারা এডিশন সাইনটা আর ইকুয়াল সাইনটা আর বক্সগুলো ওদেরকে বাসায় খাতায় ড্র করে দিবেন। আর যদি আপনাদের কাছে এই পিকচারগুলো ডিফিকাল্ট মনে হয়, আপনারা ইজিয়েস্ট পিকচার্সগুলো ইউজ করতে পারেন, নো প্রবলেম। কিন্তু ওরা যাতে বুঝতে পারে এবং কাউন্ট করতে পারে সেরকম পিকচার ইউজ করবেন। I think now it's clear. Okay, so now I'm going to my next topic. Boys, can you see? This is shapes chart. Okay, your teacher in your last class, your teacher showed you the shapes. Now I am going to show you again, and in the next class teacher will show it again. Today we are going to learn, we are going to see some shapes. You have to learn them. Okay, first, in the first picture you can see this is a circle, then this is called square, this is called triangle, then star, heart, this is called heart. Okay, this is oval. Okay, this is rectangle, this is called diamond, this is called pentagon, this is called hexagon, and this is called octagon, and this is called crescent. If you want to say this moon, no problem. Okay, the another name of crescent is moon. So this is the first chart. You have to learn them, and teacher is going to ask you what is this, then you have to say this is heart. Then teacher will ask you what is this, you have to say this is star. Okay, now another picture. This is same also, there are some different pictures.